Question 1. Who built the world-famous Harmandir Sahib, popularly known as the Golden Temple in Amritsar? Correct answer is B. Guru Arjan Dev. Question 2. Who was the author of the book, The Golden Threshold? Correct answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Question 3. What is the meaning of Panchayatan in Indian cultural history? Correct answer is D. Temple construction style. Question 4. Which of the following is known as popular chamber? Correct answer is C. Lok Sabha. Question 5. Who coined the term Hindu rate of growth for Indian economy? Correct answer is C. Raj Krishna. Question 6. Interstate Council was set up by the recommendation of which committee? Correct answer is B. Sarkaria Committee. Question 7. The joint sitting of the House of People and the Council of States is summoned by? Correct answer is A. The President. Question 8. Which of the following ports is known as Diamond Harbour? Correct answer is A. Port of Haldia, Kolkata Port. Question 9. National income in India is estimated by? Correct answer is C. Central Statistical Organization. Question 10. GST was implemented in India from which date? Correct answer is C. The 1st of July 2017. Question 11. Who is the ex officio chairperson of the National Disaster Management Authority? Correct answer is B. The Prime Minister of India. Question 12. The Nyay Panchayat is concerned with? Correct answer is A. Delivery of justice. Question 13. The basic structure doctrine was established by the Supreme Court in which case? Correct answer is B. Kesavananda Bharti case. Question 14. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights by which amendment? Correct answer is B. 44th Amendment. Question 15. Which constitutional amendment introduced GST in India? Correct answer is A. 101 Stone Amendment Act. Question 16. In which Congress session was the Quit India Resolution ratified? Correct answer is D. The 8th of August 1942, Bombay. Question 17. The right to vote is in which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is C. Article 326. Question 18. Which monument is known as the National Monument of India? Correct answer is A. India Gate. Question 19. Which Constitutional Amendment Act reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Correct answer is C. 61st Constitutional Amendment Act. Question 20. The words that were added to the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment? Correct answer is D. Socialist, Secular and Integrity. Question 21. Indigo Revolt was initiated by? Correct answer is B. Digambar and Bishnu Bishwas. The Indigo Revolt began in 1859 in the Nadia district of Bengal. Question 22. Election to the members of Rajya Sabha is taken from? Correct answer is C. Constitution of South Africa. Question 23. The newspaper, Free Hindustan, was started by? Correct answer is B. Taraknath Das. Question 24. Who among the following is known as the father of Indian Railways? Correct answer is A. Lord Dalhousie. Question 25. Identify the place where first rural session of India National Congress was held. Correct answer is C. Fazpur. Question 26. By which act, Burma had been separated from India? Correct answer is C. 1935 Act. Question 27. Self-respect movement was initiated by. Correct answer is D. E.V. Ramaswamy Nikkar. Question 28. Who among the following was popular as Indian Einstein? Correct answer is D. Nagarjuna. Question 29. Which one of the following parts of the Constitution contains emergency provisions? Correct answer is B. Part 18. Question 30. In which of the following years, the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act was passed? Correct answer is A. 1989. Question 31. The system of separate electorates was introduced by the Act of. Correct answer is A. 1909. Question 32. In which year the Danish Indian rupee was replaced with Indian rupee? Correct answer is C. 1845. Question 33. Who of the following prime ministers sent Cripps mission to India? Correct answer is D. Winston Churchill. Question 34. The Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and. Correct answer is B. Cornwallis. Question 35. Which article says that Council of States, Rajya Sabha, shall not be dissolute? Correct answer is C. Article 83. Question 36. Who was the founder of the All India Kisan Sabha Party? Correct answer is C. Sajanand Saraswati. The All India Kisan Sabha was a peasant movement, formed by Sajanand Saraswati in 1936, to address the problems of farmers against the zamindari system.